main differences between an iPhone and an Android phone is basically the software experience and the ecosystem. So with the iPhone, you get iMessage, you get FaceTime. I live in the US. A lot of people have those things. So like it's very easy to communicate. Where I live at, it's better at communication as far as, like reliability. You can airdrop to your friends, you can airdrop between devices. But with the Android, I would say that it's more advanced. You can do more as far as customization. Honestly, I would say they have better build quality, better displays. So you're getting a better phone, but with the iPhone, social media integration is better. Texting, I would say it feels better. You won't really run into many problems. So the main difference between iPhone and Android is that with iPhone, the communication is easier, but with Android, as far as specs, as far as, experience, it's a more premium, I would say.